go ahead and say that 2020, as a shit of a year this is for everybody, I've been trying a lot of new things lately, and it's making me a very happy person. Pinterest has changed the game for me. I've been into decluttering for the longest time. You guys know this because of where I've lived in the past. And I've noticed that as I started using Pinterest as my go-to for inspiration behind what it is that I want to do, I found it so much easier to find things. This video is for everyone who doesn't use Pinterest or doesn't use Pinterest often or even just forgot that it existed. A lot of people that I've talked to recently just don't normally use it, so that's why I'm making this video. Okay, so by now on your screen, I'm a cute little box, and let's go through Pinterest together. So if you haven't signed up for Pinterest yet, I suggest that you do, because you're gonna need to. It's totally free, and no, this video is not a sponsored video or an ad. So you're gonna sign up or you're gonna log in. I'm actually gonna put on my glasses for this because I'm gonna need to be able to see as I talk to you guys. So when you log into Pinterest, it's going to send you to the home page, or it may direct you to your personal profile page. If it sends you to your own profile, stay there. We're gonna get there. If it sends you to a page like this where you see a bunch of photos, ignore that. Let's go all the way to the top corner where you find your face. Let's click your face. And this is gonna take you to your personal profile page. Now, you can see that I already have boards already. That's because I use it. But if you don't use Pinterest, this will be completely blank. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna create a board. Now, the board is gonna be the place where you're gonna pin all these photos to, 'cause that's gonna be your inspiration board. So we're gonna go down to this plus sign here, and then we're gonna click Create Board. Now we're gonna name the board, I don't know, whatever it is you want to name. Personal, let's just do personal style. Personal style. It could be style inspiration. It can be whatever it is that's going to keep it easy for you. I would leave the dates blank because this is just an inspiration board. There's no like expiration date for anything. And then if you don't want anyone else to see it, you can keep this board a secret. But I'm going to leave it like that because it's just for YouTube. So I'm going to create. So it's saying save some pins to your new board. Now, I love how it did bring up some photos already that pertains to style, since it kind of took a hint at your title, which is cool. I suspect that this is a way to get the board started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find something that's in here, because I've noticed in the past that when I create a board without clicking something in this suggestion first, I have to go through a bevy of things. So I'm gonna try. You'll see in the future if it does it. I'll point it out. I'm gonna pick a photo. I'm gonna pick this photo right here because my style, I consider it more edgy and more grungy. I'm not gonna choose this one. Is that Linda Perry? No, it's Zoe Kravitz. Oh, okay. Well, I'm not gonna choose that because that's not exactly how I want to look per se. This was closer to what my overall style is. So I'm gonna hit save to my board. And that's it. I'm just gonna click one photo because this is not what we're gonna focus on. And then I'm gonna hit done. There. This created a pin to my board. This is kind of important because as you go into photos, and if you don't do this step first, pinning some random photo, I feel like you have to do so much more tricks. But if you choose to skip this portion, I will show you what to do in case you come back and you see that your pins have disappeared. I don't want to scare you, but like, you know, you'll see. So let's just say you clicked a photo, you pinned it, great. But if you chose done without clicking anything, that's still fine. Let's continue together. We're gonna go up to the search bar, and this is where you're going to type in the keywords to find your style. So are you edgy? Are you punk? Are you grunge? Are you romantic? Are you classic? Are you boho? Are you girly? Think of words that help describe your overall style sense. Now, if you don't know what your style is, and if you don't know what you like just yet, and you kind of feel like you just buy clothes because they fit, start with classic. I feel like starting with classic is the perfect way to kind of go, oh, I don't like that, or I wish this was more girly. And I'm gonna start with classic just so that I can guide you guys along, because I know what I like, and I know that my taste is, you know, only for certain people. So let's go in with classic, and then let's put fashion. because I think that encompasses the entire outfit. If you click classic style, that could be anything. It could be furniture, it could be, you know, kitchen, whatever, you know? So let's do classic and then hit the word fashion and then search. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're gonna save these photos to your Pinterest board, but I only want you to save photos that have exactly every single piece that you would use and you would wear. That is how you're gonna create your epic closet, okay? So let's say, for example, like for me, I actually really do like this all black outfit. I love wearing all black. Are you kidding? I love the loafer look. I love the skinny jeans. I love the black sweater and that purse. Yeah, it seems like a purse that would fit my overall lifestyle. It looks like a larger bag. So what I'm gonna do, now it's suggesting the Pinterest board for me because I have multiple. Yours may already be listed here. If it's not, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the little arrow and you're gonna find your board, personal style, and then click it. It's gonna automatically save the pin to your board. Yay! So let's continue on. So you're gonna find all the things that you like. So keep scrolling. Let's say you like this picture, whatever, save it. But remember, make sure everything in the photo is something that you would wear. What is this right here? I like this sort of suit, but you know what? On me, my body type, that may not look good. So I'm gonna continue scrolling and then you're gonna click photos, okay? But let me get back to what my style is so that I can show my edgy girls out there that it's not always about classic fashions, okay? So I'm gonna type in edgy fashion, okay? Now it's gonna bring up, cook your meat. It's gonna bring up a suggestion that I need to cook the raw meat that it's in my refrigerator later. Remind me tonight. Now it's gonna bring up all of these clothes. Now I'm gonna make sure that I only click things that have every single piece that I like, okay? So for example, this one here, you can click on the photo and look at it in a bigger spot in case you need to see. So I do love the combat boot, the skinny jean. I love this top, but I probably would never wear a cardigan. I would wear a backpack, but I would never wear a cardigan. So I'm not saving that because I feel like that's not the overall perfect outfit that I want to wear, you know? I'm gonna scroll down until I find something that really speaks to me. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, boom! Graphic tee, flannel, Doc Martens, black jeans. Love it. This is so me. So what I'm gonna do, because I clicked on the photo this time, I'm going to select my board. You can either hit save or the actual title of your board. It really doesn't matter. So it's gonna save it. Boom. Bloop. Great. Let's go back. I'm gonna hit this back arrow to get back into the original set of photos that it showed me. But if you don't want to go back to the original strain of photos, what you can do is continue searching from this spot. Now this could be in any moment if you're in classic fashion or whatever, but I'm gonna stick with the edgy stuff because that's just my MO. So let's say you find a photo like this of whatever style that is exactly what you want. If you scroll down, it's gonna show you photos that are similar to what you already like in this one. So instead of going back to the original photos, as you can see here, I'm gonna go into this picture because I like this photo, and we're gonna scroll down to see more like this. And here we go. Now I have more photos, look at this one, that pertain to my general aesthetic. I love the freaking Vans, I love the flannel, I love the jean color, I love these socks. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and save it to personal style. Now I'm gonna go back to that chain of photos because I wanna see what else is here. Look at this one. I have white Doc Martens. I love the jean jacket. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and personal style that. Now I could continue on to look, if I scroll down from this point, it's gonna show me photos that are similar to this one right here. Now, let's see what you got. Ooh, this is a lot more casual. Now, as I'm scrolling down, you can see how casual like these clothes are. I don't wanna go there just yet. So let's go back to the original. There we go. Now these photos, again, pertain to this one. So let's keep scrolling down and liking things that are something that you would wear. Like for example, I would totally wear, look at the Converse shoes, and of course this is all me. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it says, I don't know why it's still suggesting the other board, but it's fine. So So now I can see that it's giving me some great options, okay? So on the side here, you'll notice that there will be suggestions for you. You know, Pinterest will say, okay, you like edgy fashion. Here are some other key terms that you can look that is similar to what you're looking for. And you can go ahead and click those and it'll take you to photos around those specific key terms. So I'm not gonna go to those just quite yet. I'm gonna continue scrolling down to see if there's anything else that I possibly like. Something a little bit more girly, a little bit more clean. Maybe not, because this is very grungy, which, you know, I'm very excited about. I really do like it. But I'm gonna click on a photo that does have, oh, this is cute. I like that. I dig the sock thing. Oh, this is cute, right here. Yeah, see, this is really cute. I probably would never wear the stockings though, because I'm just not into like shapes like that, so bold. I don't know, I should probably try it before I say I don't like it. But this is something that's similar to what I like. So I'm gonna scroll down, but because I don't really like everything in this photo, I'm gonna scroll down to see if there's anything similar that I may like. Like for example, this is really cute. That's interesting. Putting a sheer over the, okay. See, I love edgy people. To me, this is art. Like, I really like the idea of having your outfits be a piece of art. Like, this is cool. I like that. That's awesome. That's really rad. I would wear this. So let's do personal style, save. Let's go back, because I want to see what they're suggesting now. So they're suggesting edgy outfits, 90s fashion grunge outfits, alternative and fall outfits. Still not exactly what I'm looking for. Once I've seen this, let's try rocker chic. Now the word chic, it could be boho chic, girly chic, romantic chic. Let's do rocker chic and see what happens. Look at that. Look at this Metallica. Yeah. Look at this. Ooh, I love this moto fashion. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the time to save these pins. I've already seen these photos, that's why I'm pinning them. I don't need to see them in a bigger like show, but for example, like this one here, I would totally wear all of this. Oh my God. Are you kidding? Personal style, saved. Oh, here we go, look. Boho rocker style, rocker chic style, rocker girl, rocker chic outfits, and rock outfits for women. And let's do rocker chic. Well, that's kind of what we're in right now, rocker chic style. Look at this cool outfit. You've got like the faux monkey jacket, Led Zeppelin top, big bag. I love it. Oh, look at the shoes. That's kind of cool. Whatever. Personal style. Let's save it. Okay. So you're gonna take some time doing this. You can fall down the rabbit hole so easily, as you can see. Like if I continued on with this photo and then followed it down, what is it gonna show me? Look at how rad that sweat. Is that a blazer? That's really cool. We're gonna go ahead and just like save that too. So you can go down the rabbit hole of finding different outfits. That is sick. I love it. Of finding different outfits. And I would say take a couple days even finding the right Pinterest board. So let's say you've already added, you pin, okay? Let's go back to your face in the corner. And we're gonna go down to your personal style. So it's going to show you all of the pins that you've saved. And this here is supposed to be your dream closet. So this is what's going to dictate what's in your actual closet, so that way you can make sure that you are showcasing yourself in this format. Now, going back to everyone who did not select a photo when you created your board, if you come back to your board and you see that all of the pins that you saved are not there, this is a weird glitch. I feel like it's a glitch, but let's say you're in that position, like, well, what happened? I saved so many photos and there's nothing here. Go over to more ideas, click on that, and select anything in the more ideas tab. And hopefully you can select something that you like. This is really cute. I'm gonna try to select something that I do like, that I think, you know what? Yeah, like there we go. You know what? Who is that? Looks like Haley Bieber, but I don't think that is her. See that? I would wear this, sure. So we're gonna go ahead and click personal style. So now that you saved that, you can go back to your pins and then everything will be there. Don't know why it forces you to start a pin with its suggested photos, but it is what it is. So if you find that problem, there's the solution to fix it. And now you have a Pinterest board full of photos, and you're gonna compare this to your closet, you're gonna compare this to your shoes, you're gonna compare this to your back, everything. And this works with your apartments, your house. This works with everything that you do. Maybe your crafting center, your hobbies, everything. Kitchen, oh, please. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked the content and you want to support me as a content creator, please send me a coffee at the link below in the description box. It helps me, make a little extra money during this pandemic, and it is my way of getting tips for giving you tips on how to live and love your life. I'm gonna be sharing with you like different ways to compare and contrast your wardrobe, and there's a series of videos coming, you guys. I'm really excited for this realm of videos here on my channel. So I will see you guys very, very soon, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.